Hello friends, this is MD Khayyum Civil Engineer. A hearty welcome to all viewers to JILT Academy. I am back with a new plan of ground floor. In today's session, I am going to explain in detail about the ground floor plan with the dimensions of 50 feet by 45 feet with a plot area of 2250 square feet. But before discussing in detail about our plan, I request those who did not subscribe our channel kindly subscribe our channel. Now let's move on in detail. So let us see the dimensions available here. So this is a ground floor plan with the two family portions. So the dimensions are main door of size 4 feet and the D1 indicate the doors of bedrooms of size 3 feet and D2 indicates the sizes of toilet, that is 2 feet 6 inches. A indicates here arch of size 4 feet and windows of size 4 feet and the ventilators of size 2 feet. As you are aware about the outside walls are of size 9 inches and the inside walls are of size 4.5 inches. Now we will enter into the entrance of our two family portion. So there is in the front of the gate it is having a 30 feet road. Now here two gates are available. One gate is for the purpose of entering into one portion and another gate is for the purpose of parking vehicles and also moving towards the another family portion. Now let us see the first main gate, that is of size 10 feet gate. So this is a parking area of 16 feet by 16 feet 7 inches. So this is a very comfortable parking with car along with motor vehicles. So here now you can view there is a balcony of width also, open area lobby 7 feet 4 inches. Now I am entering into the hall through the main door of size 11 feet by 15 feet 2 inches. So this hall can be used as a multi-purpose, but according to the client you can change according to your requirement. So now we have planned it as hall come guest room or living room. So any guest may come, they can have a couple of tea and snacks. Here we have plot a sofa with a teapot. Now let us enter into the kitchen. There is a arch provided of 4 feet and the kitchen is having a very open classic area of 10 feet 11 inches by 6 feet 4 inches. So here you can view there is a window of size the 4 feet and let us see there is a lobby. From this lobby you can enter into the two bedrooms. So let us see the first thing, master bedroom. Master bedroom is having of size 10 feet 11 inches by 11 feet 6 inches with attached toilet of 6 feet by 4 feet. So this is a master bedroom of one family portion. There is another door is provided and one ventilator is provided to the toilet. Because there is a setback, we have left backside of 3 feet 7 inches. Similarly, we have left a setback of 3 feet 1.5 inches on the left hand side of this family portion. The setbacks are most important in nowadays for the purpose of ventilation because we can't able to keep total construction on the carpet area. Now let us see the next bedroom. Let us come inside and move towards another bedroom which is of size 10 feet by 11 feet 6 inches. So it is having a lavish comfortable bedroom. Now you can view on the left hand side, you can view there is a common toilet available for the other family members also. The toilet size is 6 feet by 4 feet. So here in this one portion there are two bedrooms are available along with hall and kitchen and common toilet to one bathroom and common toilet to all the family members and one attached toilet to the master bedroom. Now let's move towards the another family portion. As you are aware about the lobby of size for 7 feet 4 inches, now I am entering into the 4 feet gate. So from this 4 feet gate you can view there is on the right side there is a staircase of size 7 feet. From this staircase you need to move towards the first floor or the upper stair. Now I am entering into the second family portion through the main door. So that is a lobby is available of size 4 feet 7 inches. From this lobby I have entered into the hall, very lavish and comfortable hall which can be used as a multi-purpose living room cum guest room of size 11 feet by 15 feet 2 inches, which is attached to a toilet of size 6 feet by 4 feet 4 inches. Now let us see from this hall I have entered into the bedroom. Bedroom is a very standard dimension are available 10 feet by 11 feet 6 inches. So this is one bedroom. From this lobby I am entering into the master bedroom of our plan, which is of a comfortable size of 11 feet 2 inches by 11 feet 6 inches, which is having a attached toilet of 6 feet by 4 feet. So it is a very comfortable plan. This second family portion is having 3 bedrooms, 1 hall and 1 kitchen. That is 3 BHK. Earlier that portion was only 2 BHK. Now let us entering through the hall. Again I need to enter into the kitchen of size 10 feet 2 inches by 6 feet 4 inches. Here we have provided one door. So here you can view there is a balcony of 2 feet we have left here, and we have provided window also. So kitchen is a fully ventilated. All the plan is having fully ventilation as we have left all the 3 sides setback. So now from this hall again I am entering into the another bedroom of size 10 feet 2 inches by 8 feet 10 inches. So in today's session we have discussed the two family portions plan. For more updates and new plans, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon. Those who are having any suggestions or comments can comment me in comment box. For more updates, kindly like and share. Thanks for watching.